Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to make animation. So, as you guys can see, I just make a separate part for my pixel art, and it's a girl, and I choose first to animate her hair. And as you can see, it's just I just draw just one or two, three stands difference, and it looks pretty nice. Of course, since it's a pixel art used as a game asset, you will not be able to see that like really big. So normally you would do something like this, okay? Like I think it's as far as it can go. Okay, so it's a very good idle animation. So without further ado, let's do it. Let's get to it. So basically, first I'm going to pause it here, and then maybe I'm going to move my hair to the right side. Okay, so as you guys can see, at this side of the screen, we got multiple frame. Okay, right now I'm going to delete everything. So delete. Okay, don't show this again because I'm going to delete it multiple times. So delete the frame, and delete the frame, delete frame, delete frame, and because at least you got one frame, so you can't delete it. Okay, so first you need to get the timeline outside. Okay, if I close it, this is like normally when you open the Photoshop, you get something like this. Then you go to Windows, and then you search for T timeline, click it, and it's here. Of course, the timeline has like a multiple, settings. You can get like a video setting or frame by frame setting. Right now, the frame by frame is the default, which is good. Of course, you can change it. Click it, and then you got this we can add a video. Right now, since it's a pixel art animation, I think frame by frame is good. And here comes your very interesting part. When you first use it, you will feel a little bit weird because if you haven't used like animation software like this. So a quick concept is that you can sort of treat every frame as a snapshot of all these layers that you show on the screen. So I can take a snapshot of the current screen and act as a new frame. Okay, so hide the first frame, show the second frame, and add as a snapshot. So take a photo, make a new frame, and then I can hide this and make a third one. Okay, the third one I believe got the opacity of 0. Just let me increase. Okay, and then you can add again. So right now you can already play this, but since it's like a 5 seconds, which is crazy, so I'm going to just select everything and click, and I'm going to get like a 0.1 seconds. Okay, so if you click play, you can get this here moving. Of course, normally we would just make a loop. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to go to here and make the second one. Okay, and then add that snapshot, and then got the first one, so it's a complete loop. So add it, and then of course its default become 0.1 seconds. So if I click, you get this loop flying animation. Of course, if you're like really crazy about animation, you know that sometimes we need anticipation, sometimes we need like a different curve. Okay, sometimes we need like a slower move up, and hold it there and then go back. Okay, so you can fine tuning this. So for example, right now you got something like this, going up, going down, going back. Okay, so I think I'm going to things like we got 3. We can make the center one, hold it a little bit. Okay, hold it there a little bit and then go back. So you can, that really depends on how complex you want your animation to be. You can do something like, you can just simply duplicate this, or you can make it another frame here, or you can just simply change the duration. So if I just add this frame, so add 1.1 seconds. So if you look at here, So it's like a hold it here and then going back. Okay, that's how basically you make animation in Photoshop. Okay, so yeah, let's continue our journey, and don't forget to give this video a thumb up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.